Good evening, everyone. It is my privilege and honor to welcome you all to today's Naredko Mahi's Zoom session on the future of sustainable real estate. I would like to invite Naredko National's Vice Chairman, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, for the opening remarks on the subject, please. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for taking out your time.
Afternoon to each and every one of you. It's so lovely to be among such beautiful women, and especially the ones who are leaders of Mahi and led very ably by Tara Subramanian, Dr. Ananta, Chitra, Kair, all the rest of you, and Preeti at the back end. It's so wonderful to do it. The entire idea of sustainability comes from and arises from the concept of the safety and security that women bring to this entire world. Women know how to take care of the child, to bring up the child, and to bring up a home, and to fester this entire society. But as a community, we have been disastrous. Look at what we have done in terms of the environment. Look at the quality of life that we have done in many of our cities, including the capital of our country, New Delhi and the National Capital Region. Look at so many places where we get floods, and rivers are really breaking all the barriers in order to flood the cities because forests have been cut. Look at the issue of the melting of the solar caps, which have really brought about a rise in the levels of the sea and are going to drown many, many, many cities in the world in the next 30, 40, 50 years. And I'm sure Mr. Alison Bright, who's our keynote speaker today, will highlight those contingencies which we are going to face. All in all, what is it that we can do as a community of people? What is it that we as developer community can we do? What is it that we can contribute to the cities? And what can each and every one of us do to make that difference? I think the first and foremost is that we need to step out of the box and not expect that other people will do. And we need to make a start the beginning ourselves. Maybe we need to stretch and plant at least one tree in a year. And if every person in India planted one tree, we'd just have 130 crore trees planted every single year. Can you imagine, just by planting one tree? And what would we do in the lifetime of each of the persons that we need to do? And that would be a tremendous example to the rest of the world of to how many trees we can possibly plant. Having a large demographic dividend, we can be a demand creator for the Western world to supply goods. But can we not be the demand creators of climatic change? And that is something which we really need to see. The second part of it is what we can do as developers. Many times, development activity and sustainability is seen as contradictory ideas. But look at the ideas that many people have now started to do and the changes we've done. 35 years ago, we took up the project in Powai, the Hiranandani Gardens. 250 acres, we had 20 trees. Today, we have 4 lakh fully grown trees, 400,000 fully grown trees, more than 40 feet tall in that complex. So it is Hiranandani Gardens for you, with 70 acres of gardens and forests within the complex and around it. All this goes to show that we can create sustainability. Recycling. We do 4 million liters of water of recycling every single day. That also is a part of sustainability. So our requirements of water comes down by 30% because we use it for flushing, we use it for recycling. And of course, lots of other things that we all can do. So as individuals, we can do a lot. As collectively, as developers, we can do a lot. And of course, women in society are very, very influential. And nowadays, that is the kind of direction which Mahi could take, is actually to lead this thought process. And always thought first, ideas first and action next. So thought, just an idea is certainly not enough. But that is what the creation of MAHI is about. All of you have great ideas and great thoughts. MAHI will also soon be a place of action. And why not? Each one of us remember that this year we must plant one tree and keep reproducing this idea to every person who's around us, whether he's our customer, whether he's our friend, he's a family member, and keep on pushing these ideas in terms of it. And teach our children too. The next generation is very important through education, through schools and colleges and all. So sustainability is a good thing for you, because today with the environment pollution that you have, it's already too late. But for our next generation, it is absolutely imperative. So I must congratulate each and every one of you for choosing the subject of sustainability, an idea which we do. Of course, we have ideas of making green buildings, platinum rated and different rated buildings. But it is first the thought which must go in the minds of each person, then the action, and hence the activity done by NAREDCO in the parent body in terms of green buildings, and those ideas of green buildings are also extremely important. But you are the people who can rule the roost in terms of thought and ideas. So my congratulations once again to each and every one of you. Please continue the wonderful work that you are doing and the great ideas that you have brought to the table today and also at earlier time. Lots of love to each and every one of you.